Hey guys, it's your guy Atita. So today I'm going to take you to the Harvest Festival here in Oregon. We are going to see the pumpkins, the pumpkin patch. So yeah, see that part of the screen. I've never seen this before, it's my first time. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. All these people are going to see the farms, so you have to pay the ticket before you go inside. I think it's almost like 16 bucks for one person. I can't wait to see what they have to show us, especially when it comes to farming, because I grew up as a farmer. Oh wow, the best thing about this event, it's the trucks from like the 1952. This one has ice. I think I like old school cars.
This looks so nice.
Wow, look at this one.
I like this color.
Guys, I can't wait to show you around. I think I like these trucks a lot. Now I need one for myself. Yeah. I need one. I need to take one home.
We'll do a number here at the end, and
this is it.
Break. We go some apple pie or pumpkin pie or whatever, and whatever you want to
Is there something specific you want?
I can't believe we made it. We did it.
Can I get something here?
What?
Can I get something?
Oh, you want to buy something first?
Yeah, I don't want to.
Go through, check it out with all these great vendors. I am sure that you are going to find that special something that you've always been looking for right here with these local vendors today. So go check it out, support those local vendors over here on the right. The entrance to our shooting gallery where you can shoot paintball.
Yeah.
And really fun targets up there. Well guys, thanks for coming in. Spending time with us today. We appreciate you being here. Please do not get off those. Folks, let me also introduce you to a term I have found of called scooching. Scooching, you may not find it in the dictionary, but you get the idea. We would like to use all of the available space, both on the straw bales in front as well as the bench seats in back, so please do a little preemptive scooching for everyone behind you in line, and it would be appreciated. Thank you very much. Talk about that a little bit. Hopefully learn a few things along the way. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask. But you're going to have to hold those questions till the end of the ride because I'm also the driver. Not going to hear what you say as we go around, but upon our return, happy to try and field those questions for you. But before we begin, there are some things we need to know. The rules. There are always some rules. Here's ours. Number one, please keep your seat while the wagon is moving because we do not want anybody to fall down and get hurt. That tends to spoil the day. Second, please keep your hands, arms, legs, feet, and cell phones inside the wagon, please, so we don't lose anything along the way. Now, can you all do that for me?
Yeah.
Chewy. So if we are not eating that corn, who do you think is? Well, if your answer was animals or livestock of any kind, then you would be absolutely correct, because that is field corn, and field corn is most often used as animal feed, and such will be the case for that field right there. Come the end of our season, when it was said and done, we'll be harvesting that field, stalks and all, and it will be fed to cattle. But before that corn makes its final destination to the cows, it has got another purpose, and I'll bet you can guess what that purpose sent you, and they will break out the good stuff. Well, folks, if you take a look off to the right, we have got another crop. Who knows what that crop is over there? Pumpkins, of course. We all love pumpkins, don't we? And there's a lot of them out there. That is our pumpkin patch, and we got some good ones out there. So you should go check it out. I am sure you will find the perfect pumpkin for your pumpkin carving needs this Halloween season. For us this season, there you will find a lot of fun things to see, a lot of fun things to hear. You will also encounter some surprises along the way, things that are unexpected. Go in there and check it out at the Great Pumpkin Express, and you'll also find the biggest pumpkin in the world right inside that field. On the right, there you will see our animal display, where you'll be able to see the sheep, goats, chicken, ducks, and turkeys right over there on the right. On the left, we are passing the entrance to the Great Pumpkin Express. To the right, we have got our sunflowers. And right in there is a great place for a photo opportunity. Over to the left, we have got our entrance to the Fright Train. Now, the Fright Train is a unique Halloween experience. And if you're one of those folks who loves to have a good Halloween scare, then the Fright Train will be for you, because that's what it's designed for. So check it out at the Fright Train. It's bordering on terrifying, and you will find information on that on our website and at the ticket booth that is operating on Friday and Saturday nights between the hours of 7 and 10 p.m. The Fright Train is a scary good time. Off to the right, we just passed that granite pathway. If you were to follow that granite pathway all the way up to the top, up there you would find Grandma's Country Kitchen and a lot of really good things to eat and drink. Hamburgers, hot dogs, pulled pork sandwiches, pumpkin pie, caramel apples, things to drink like soda, cider, coffee, and my personal favorite, espresso. Off to the left, we pass the entrance to the corn maze. Elaine, right inside that corn maze entrance, be happy to help you get started in the corn maze. Over here on the right, we have got our flower display. To the immediate right of the wagon, we have our Bernard's Giant Zinnias. Bernard's Giant Zinnias, one of our favorites to grow, easy to grow, very showy, last a long time. Behind those, we've got our marigolds, and then we have our cosmos. Not many, most of those have faded now, but they'll be back next year. Off to the right, we have got our wedding and corporate event venue, but we've got something else special going on over here now. We have our marketplace occurring right now. Our marketplace, which is a compilation of all of the best vendors from the local farmers markets right here today for your enjoyment. Go check it out in the marketplace, on the lawn there, in the barn, directly behind the barn. Best of the best of the local farmers markets vendors are here today. They have brought their fantastic wares, and I am quite certain that you will find that perfect something you've been looking for forever right here with these local vendors. So come check it out, support those local vendors. Over here on the right, we have got our shooting gallery where you can go up and shoot paintballs at the really fun targets up there. Well, guys, thanks for coming in and joining us today. We appreciate you being here. Please do not get off those wagons till I get those steps and chains down.
I don't think I like your pants now.
Hey guys, I'm going to take you to my farm to show you some maize, corn maze. So follow me along. You see this one here? Yeah, this one is so good, it's so good.
Will we make it out of here?
We will.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe it's poisonous. You know, some corn maze can be poisonous to human beings. Oh wow, this is really cool.
Where? Where? Show me. It's dead.
Hmm?
Oh, it just blacked out.
I got it.
A little running.
I have your phone. Where are you?
We'll come back to it later. Let's walk through it.
Tell her about the bubble tunnel.
Hey, happy? Happy. Go back. You have to go back so that it shows the town here. Okay.
I love pumpkins, don't we? Well, that is our pumpkin patch, as you can see, we're going to run it. It's a great patch and pumpkins that you will find in your color for your pumpkin carving needs. I feel today, as a matter of fact, I'm sure you're going to find a lot.
Oh, you're amazing. You're amazing.
Probably aiming from a pumpkin.
Wait.
These are easy. Got it?
Hey guys, I ended up buying honey, which is really good. It's a honey black tea chai. I love chai, so this one is mixed with chai. I don't have to add like tea and all that. But let me know what you think about the video that I made today, going to the pumpkin patch and corn maze, and also flowers, sunflowers. I know they were not like flourishing because there's no sun outside, so they are not like really pretty and all that the way you guys wanted to see them. But for today, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.